Hey guys, my name is Ian McDonald, and I'm the owner of Disruptive Solutions, a company based in Boulder, Colorado, where we use AI and automation to help businesses and individuals create custom tools to help them streamline their workflows and have custom solutions that are tailored to their own unique needs and challenges. What I have for you today and what I show you in this video how to build for yourself is an app that sits in Slack that goes through a couple of prompts and allows you to upload a file as well as pick from a stock photo if you like, customizes a post for you and sends that to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Sheets. And it does all this within a matter of a minute. So what could take a business 15, 20, 30 minutes to brainstorm an idea, think of hashtags, think of their audience, type it up, and then send to these various platforms, it's done within a matter of seconds. So this is the first video I've made like this. Obviously, I hope it's helpful. I'm sure that there's things that I'm going to forget, but tools like this are very helpful for me, and I hope to give back. Videos, walkthroughs, and just information online out there has been very necessary for me. So I hope that this is helpful. If there's something that you need help with, please feel free to leave a comment or send a message to me directly, and I will do my best to help you out. Additionally, I have included a link to replit.com where the code is hosted, and all you have to do, as I show you in the video, is upload your own API keys to the code. There's also a copy and paste file for the Slack app manifest. All of that's included in this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with it. Again, I hope this is helpful, and yeah, look forward to seeing you on the other side.
All right, so I'm going to show you essentially what we're building here. We've opened up Slack. This is our marketing app and our homepage. Here we have a button, Create Social Media Posts. We'll click into that, and that will give us 6 different post types that we can choose from. So project highlights, behind the scenes, we can create a custom post, company news, etc. We'll click Client Testimonials. What that's going to do is use a ChatGPT prompt that I have behind the scenes working that's custom tailored to my company, and give us 3 dynamic topics that we can choose from. Let's say we don't like these topics, we can reroll. All right. AI's got your back. I like that. So we'll click Generate Post. Here we've got our post. Cool. Within this, we can edit anything we like. Let's say we don't like this. We can re-roll the post. We can give it directions as well for re-rolling, but for now, we'll just leave it as it is. Okay, cool. Choose an image to go along with this. It's going to take our post and give us 3 dynamic keywords here. So, not really liking these. We'll just go ahead and say AI. Reroll. I like these little guys. Cool. We'll select that. All right, now that we've got our post and our image attached, we'll click Submit. Go to our browser here. This is company's Facebook page. And there's a post here on Facebook. Here is our post on LinkedIn and post on Instagram. I've also set it up to keep track of these posts within a Google Sheet. So behind the scenes again, the posts aren't getting duplicated. So essentially that's what this does. It creates a post given your selections and sends them to your selected social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and yeah, you got posts within a minute. Okay, to get started building this, what we're going to do is open up Slack API. Then go to your apps. Here we'll create a new app. We're going to do this from an app manifest. Select disruptive solutions. You will paste this app manifest that I will provide in the description. So we'll name it Social Media Post App. We'll do the same thing here. Click next, create. What we then have to do is install it to our workspace. Allow. And we have to copy a few tokens. So we'll start here and generate a token with associated scopes. Select all these scopes and we'll name it Slack token. Copy that, and now where we are is replit.com. This is a place where you can post code. I have the code here. All you'll have to do is paste in your personal secrets. So that was the Slack app token. We'll come here, paste our new one in. We'll also need a sign-in secret. Lastly, we will get our bot token, which can be found in the OAuth and permissions. Bot token's right here. Copy that. And paste that in here. Okay, so our Slack apps tokens are set up. Now what we have to do is give a request URL. So we started our code up. We're gonna copy this here. This is the request URL. Come into interactivity and shortcuts. Paste it. Type in Slack dash or slash events at the end of that. Let's try this again. Copy that. Copy. Paste that there. Okay, that works. I don't know why it didn't work the first time. Click Save Changes. We have to do the same thing in this Event Subscriptions tab. This is our old one. We'll paste our new request URL, verified, save changes. All right. Cool. We just stop and start our code again, hop into Slack and see if we have an app. There it is. Social media post app, and we have home view. All right, so we've set up our app in Slack. Now what we have to do is set up our make automations to take what is collected and created within the Slack app and post that to our social media. We'll go to unsplash.com. Create an account. Once you've done that, hit these three bars over here and select developers/API. Click your apps. You'll create a new application. Check all those boxes. Social post images gets images for a social media post. Create application. Check. And this is where you copy your access key from, to which you will paste that in the secrets right here. That's how you set the connection between the stock images being generated into the app. Okay, so now we need to get the secrets for Imager, that being the client ID and the client secret. What this API connection with Imager does is for those locally uploaded images from your phone or computer, it processes those through Imager, creating a new URL. That URL properly displays the image that we want. If we weren't using Imager, it would be too small or too big. This way it is, it just looks nice. So to do that, you need to first set up an Imager account. After you've done that, just Google Imager API. That'll bring you to this link here. Scroll down to registration, quick start, register your application. And then I've already been messing around here. Social media post file converter. And then the URL. You're going to get that URL just right here. Copy that, paste it right there. You don't need this. And then add your email. Okay. Submit. Alright, that gave us what we needed: client ID and client secret. You'll take those values and then just post them back here. Boom and boom, like we've done before. So what we're going to do is go to make.com. We'll go to the scenarios tab here on the left. You will select create a new scenario. I already have one built out. Let me show you what's going on here. So data is sent to a webhook, which then goes to a router that sends that data to our different social media platforms that we want to post to. We'll delete what's going on in here and rebuild it so you can see how to do this. Custom webhook, and we will name our webhook social media post app hook. Sounds good. It's going to create a URL. We'll just click that button to copy our URL, then come to Replit, stop our code, and then make webhook URL. That's what we want to update. Update secret, run our code, and then back here, you'll see it's waiting for us to send our data so it can structure it to send to the router. So we'll have to do that. We'll just run through this quickly, sending in our data. Generate post, select an image, submit, and it has taken our data, sent it to the webhook. There we go. We'll want to click OK. Next module we'll use is the router, and we'll start with the Facebook page. Create a post. Here we will input the variables that we want to be in our post. So for the message, the variable for the entirety of the text part of our post is held in post heading. And in the link here, we're going to see these two variables: file URL, that's from files uploaded locally, like from your phone or your computer. And you're going to click this little arrow and the one. Same thing, This is for our stock photos. So unless we're doing a local upload of a file, we're going to do the stock. Click OK. Select the page that you want this information posted to. And we'll run through doing that for the rest of the places we want the data sent to. So next we'll do Instagram, create a photo post, photo URL, same thing. Boom, boom, oops, don't want that, we want that. Caption will be our post heading. Got that. We will do Google Sheets, add a row. Go through here, set up your own Google Sheets where you want it sent to. Okay, that's where we want to send it to. For the date value, we're going to select this little calendar icon here and choose the now variable. What that's going to do is dynamically create a variable with the day's date and the exact time that this information is sent to the Google Sheet. Post type, we're going to go back to the start here, add a variable called post type. Title will be the topic, content, again, post heading, and post images. You have to wrap it in a formula like this. Within the quotation marks, we will just rewrite these variables within it. And lastly, we have to do something a bit special for the LinkedIn. So we use an HTTP module and get URL or get file. Can't remember what it just said, but you'll give it again those image URL variables. And then LinkedIn is image post. It's going to use this HTTP for our file, so all that's taken care of. And all we'll have to do is in this content block, post heading. All right, let's run this and see if it works. Oops. Okay, the data is being sent through the router to Facebook, Instagram, Google Sheets, and LinkedIn. Let's see if it actually sends. Go to Facebook here, reload the page. There it is. LinkedIn. There it is. Google Sheets. And lastly, Instagram. There it is. Now you can see after I set up that webhook, I sent that post in under 30 seconds. So that is the power of a tool like this, is being able to quickly create a social media post for your business. All right, so what we're going to do now is take the code from a few different files here in Replit, filter them through ChatGPT to make the post specific to your company, your brand, etc. So we'll start here in get prompt for posttype.js. Copy that. Go to ChatGPT. You can see I've already got a conversation going to change this code up for Ian's Taco Shack, a made-up company. This could be your company. So start it out. Rewrite the following code for my business, Ian's Taco Shack. Ask me 5 questions. It did. I answered them and gave it this code that I just copied right here. And it gave me that file back. So we copy it, come here, and then just paste that over what's already there. And I did that for the following files, which you'll have to do as well. Starting with handle file modal. Again, you just copy it, paste it here in the chat GPT and say, rewrite this for my X business, and then give it the code. It'll do it. See, it's given it to us. I've already pasted it here. We do that for generate topics handler as well. Copy, paste, and repeat that process one more time for generate post handler. Just copy, paste, and it will give you, post types specific to your brand, the voice. And the cool thing is you can come in here and manually change it if you like, or just continue fiddling around with the different variables and tones and voices, etc. in ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and play with that and see the post that it gives us for Ian's Taco Shop. You'll want to stop the replit, start it again. We make sure that our webhook is running. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Anyways, all right. So we're up. Let's do company news. Flavor Frenzy. Dive into Ian's new fusion tacos with local suppliers twist. Taco fans rejoice. Hear rave reviews about our Farm Fresh collaboration. You get the point. Let's do. This sounds good. Let's see what post it gives us. Cool. Choose an image. So this is the point where you'd want to change the keywords. So we'll just do tacos. Come back to reroll. We'll just do that. Submit. And we're going to go ahead and submit this post. So, there was this one. Let's see our post. Boom. Quick and easy change for the company. You can see here, we got a taco post. And you can do this as many times as you want. So come back in here. I make another post about industry insights, behind the scenes, whatever. You can customize and just post as much as you like.
All right, guys, that's the video. I appreciate if you stuck around this long, and it's super cool if you were able to build along with me throughout this process. I look forward to hearing your feedback. If there's something that you need help with, again, feel free to reach out. And for videos like this in the future, leave a comment for what you would like to see me build that you may need help with. Again, I'm Ian McDonald, Disruptive Solutions in Boulder, Colorado, and thanks for watching.